All right.
Hey guys, we're out here again, working on blue. Decided to get it back out and finish it up. We got to do the front brakes, and I'm gonna start working on all the wiring stuff. So that's where we're going today. So just wanted to include you guys and get you a nice beverage of your choice and enjoy the show.
We're gonna need one when this is over. Still really say you enjoy this? Holy shnikes, Batman. Patrick, somebody way over-torqued that. What is wrong with people?
Well, some people think everything has to be fucking ooga-dooga, you know what I mean? Rusty.
Look, even I find things over-torqued at times, okay?
I know of one that you will never be able to over-torque. It is to be torqued at 860 foot-pounds.
You're right, I might not over-torque it.
You say that, but you'll see him out there jumping up and down on it to make sure it's tight enough.
With a 20-foot breaker bar.
Oh, they have a tripler is what it's called to do it. So it's on the aircraft. This is the Jesus nut that holds the rotor.
Jesus.
Okay,
the Jesus
at
nut.
Gad's Hill.
It comes apart, oh Jesus.
At Gad's Hill, the quarry back home.
But Rusty,
Yes, sir.
you take that cover off and it fits.
Vacuum ball, trash.
Trash.
Okay.
That's weight reduction, more horsepower. You just gained 2 horsepower right there, bud.
Or a quarter horsepower.
I'll take it.
All right, guys. So I've got the new painless wiring. There, up. Ooh, let's go. Up, around, distributor. Yes, I'm still working on all of this, but it goes into there. And for the moment, I've just got this hanging out. We're gonna give it a test shot just to see.
If it's gonna go vroom vroom or Matt gets to try again.
Or
Don't let the smoke out of the system.
All right, guys, you ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Battery's all hooked up.
Hooked up, we got throttle.
Ignition on.
Go.
What'd you
I
pick?
don't know what he did.
I didn't do it. Oh,
I don't know what happened.
what the fuck come out of there?
What come out of
flew
where?
out.
Something hit the fan. And then it hit my left nut.
Oh shit!
Yeah, it was moving.
Out of the fan? How the hell did it hit you?
Ground and bounced up.
No, it come off there through the fender well. And
There's no hole in the fender well.
Okay, then it kicked it off.
That's why I had to go down and
It's
pick
at
up
dirt.
Ricochet.
Man, it smoked my left
But hey,
It
it's
runs.
awesome. It runs. There'll be a slight edit on that one. Blooper reel.
Hey, I didn't scream. I turned.
And hey, upgrades.
Because I
It
know
don't
there
take
wasn't
much
any
for one
bolts
of those.
or nuts in
No,
there.
it doesn't. That was extremely painless.
No, I meant for him, not for him. It wasn't.
Yeah, for me.
Yeah, for me, it was extremely painless on doing this. It was great.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
I think he's being sarcastic.
no.
Thank you, buddy.
Even me not knowing how to wire, this thing literally tells you
Yeah,
this is where this goes.
it does.
And it pretty much came with everything, right?
Yeah.
I mean, other than your plugs, right? It don't have. Like,
Yeah, there's no plugs.
So all you got to do is
It comes,
literally run
it comes
to
with headlight plugs. There
Does it
are
really?
headlight. There are headlight.
those
There
are
are
there.
headlight plugs in there.
What about taillights? None.
No.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
but
you,
them are-
you
yeah.
just got to pigtail those, though.
Yeah, we'll use the existing and pigtail them back. Yeah.
So basically, if you know what everything is, like if you can look at it and, oh, that's a temp sensor, that's a whatever, you could go through the entire thing, pigtail it all 2-3 inches so you got room, and then just yank out all your old, take this and lay it in place. And
Well, once this is in limbo,
Solder.
you won't be able to tell that from factory.
well, I know that, but I'm just saying, like, it's that's what I love about it. And when you first brought that box and laid it out there and opened it up, I was like, yep, that's Matt. And turned around and walked away. But
Now,
when Matt was saying he was, it was, this is a little daunting. I got online and started watching. I got on Painless and watched theirs. And they're like, literally, guys, it is not a big deal. Everything tells you right where it goes.
Yeah.
they give you plenty of lead.
Oh man,
Right?
there's lots of
You're going to gain wire on this.
I cut off 5 feet from what goes inside.
I started saying, right here.
Hell, that's probably $30 at the hardware store.
Probably.
But here's the thing. Some of the wire has been cut and used for little jumpers and stuff already. And there's still tons.
Yeah.
And we're just
getting started.
we're alternator, distributor, battery.
Ignition.
We're
Starter.
ignition system.
Yeah, the
The
ignition.
ignition system.
And I can't wait to do that. I've wanted to do that to this truck for going on 15 years now.
Well-
Flip that and hit a button.
He's so happy.
So happy.
All right, guys. There we are for at least another day's worth of progression on it. It seems like we still have, 5 or 6 more days, I think.
Wiring takes a second. Thank
It
God
does.
it's you and not me.
It does.
As easy as I said brakes are. Apparently we have another day on those as well.
We just need brake fluid.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we got rears done. We got fronts done.
Mm-hmm.
You got the switch panel in, so now you can start it from inside.
Yep, all the ignition stuff is done. Now I just have to worry about everything else.
Yeah. But again, that kit.
That kit
It's
is
tedious, and I get that, figuring out where to run it and loom it and all the things.
but they tell you where to start, where to go, and all that stuff. So I mean, I'm liking this kit thus far.
And it could be extremely overwhelming when you open the box and you see all of it and you're like, yeah, no. But if you actually just sit down and break it out into individual and attack one at a time,
It does a whole lot better because that's what I started with was just the engine. I didn't worry about any of the other pigtails off of it because it goes to the fuse panel, and then even the fuse panel goes to all the switches and all the other stuff. And then all the other pigtails just go from the switch to its end source.
Even the individual wires themselves are labeled for
Yeah,
what
The
they
whole
are.
length.
Yeah, the entire length of the wire from the fuse panel out
Yes.
to where it's cut.
Yes.
And they give you extra.
I'm just saying, it shouldn't be called painless. It should be called Wiring for Idiots 101.
I got my money's worth when I bought it. I'm
You did.
proud.
Yeah.
And-
Considering it was almost free with all the other stuff you got with
like,
it.
Like $60. Yeah, you can't beat that.
Yeah. Normally they would retail in the like hundreds.
Yes.
Like
Yeah.
500-600, maybe even 800
I
now.
don't know, you can put it in there somewhere.
I found the guy that opened the box and went, yeah, no. But I was like, I know a guy.
But here's the thing though, like seeing how painless it is, and idiot proof, when we get to doing a crawler or, get to grandpa, if we continue down that path, whatever, if we can find one not used, but you know what I mean?
Maybe
Yeah.
on clearance somewhere.
Yeah, on clearance. I am
Yeah.
headed to Texas.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just having one would be good because it don't
It
really matter what
would.
it goes
And
to.
it's actually got all the ignition stuff. So you can literally have a key ignition and just run it to all that and it'll work just the same.
Yeah.
Well, that was if you remember, that was my original thought. Was,
Where are you going?
oh, I'm sorry, I'm sure. Right here, I'll be right back. Universal tractor key, off the shelf from any auto parts store. You can wire them right up to one of those. They're not vehicle specific.
Okay.
That'll work on anything. That was my original plan, was just to throw that in the dash.
Fair enough.
And, but then I found that.
Found the panel.
I found the panel.
Panel's pretty cool. I actually like that.
They're heavy duty switches. And it just said for race use on it. I was like, that's good for another 12 horsepower, right? That's if only it had come with some go fast stickers I could put in the window, but I'll take it.
So, but all in all, that's another week or another day of getting blue
It's getting the bare necessities.
It's getting the bare necessities. So, anywho, outside of that, we've still got plenty of more work to do. We will definitely include you when we go doing the other work. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and share.
Hit that button.
We greatly appreciate it. Check out some of our other videos. We've been doing a lot of gun videos before this one, but there's been some extenuating circumstances for that reason. So,
Yeah.
We had a little fun with that.
yeah.
And I was
did.
traveling to see Uriah graduate basic and
Yep.
taking him to AIT, so Matt had to come up with something when I wasn't here.
And that's what I'm good at. So, because we ain't making medical videos, and that's what I'm paid to do. But hey,
Yeah.
Might have to. We got a training dummy.
no.
No,
That's take your pick. That's
we got two of them, so
Yeah.
we'll figure it out.
But other than that, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.